Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, super easy and nice. Beef Wellington. The name is so big, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make. We need, of course, beef fillet. If you have a central cut, it's much better. We need some mushrooms. We need pastry. We need some Parma ham, salt, pepper, and I use some English mustard. The first thing you have to do is put pot on the fire because we need very hot because we're gonna seal all the fillet from each side. First thing, seasoning. Salt and pepper. Massage everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to cook this beef Wellington. I know the beef Wellington is red, but my family they like a little bit medium well, okay? I'm gonna seal first this around 2 minutes per side, okay? And I show you how. When it start being hot, try to put some oil because we need, and put it on. Couple minutes for each side. Gonna be very nice and sealed from everywhere, even from this side. When it's ready, I show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, the fillet is very nice and sealed. Now we put on something like this and leave it. I'm gonna rest, it's gonna be dry. In this moment, I do this, it's not obligatory, but I recommend you, it's delicious. Put some mustard on, everywhere. When the mustard is on everywhere, you put again some salt and pepper and just leave it like that. And we're gonna be ready for the next step. Gonna be, yeah, just like this. It's nice flavor, I can say, it's very, very nice. Again, some salt. Because now you're gonna rest, you're gonna absorb everything, you know, it's gonna be very nice. And some pepper. Guys, make ready and clean pot as soon as I show you the next step with the mushrooms, okay? Okay guys, next step we need the mushroom. I know this way, I don't know. Someone do different, someone chop it by hands, but I do in the like mushroom inside. Because I like puree, you know, very. And we start blending. Maybe it's too full. But anyway, guys, start. I blend all this and show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys. I did like that. Make sure you put already the pot on fire. We need very hot. We're gonna like toast it, and not too long, but gonna be. If you can, guys, always share with a friend this video, subscribe if you can, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, we're gonna toast it, try to put large. Oh, the smell already is, oh, super. Put some salt and pepper, you know, the water, not too strong. Wow, it's gonna be around 5-6 minutes. When it's ready this, I'm gonna show you another step, okay? Okay, guys, the puree is gonna be like this, you know, not too much, gonna be dry, no watery. Now it's ready. Check salt and pepper. This now you leave here, they are cooled down, gonna be a bit hard. The next step, we need some clean film and make ready your Parma, okay? I show you soon when it's ready, everything, okay? Okay guys, make sure you have a clean film a bit bigger. I put the Parma ham. I don't know how big gonna be your beef fillet, but for mine it's more than enough. The mushroom they cool down. Now we're gonna put very slowly some mushroom puree across the Parma ham. Not gonna eat so too much, but you know, you're gonna cover everything. When it's ready this, I'll show you next step, we're gonna put the fillet inside. Okay? See you soon. Guys, you're gonna have something like that. Not too thick, everywhere. Now it's time to put the fillet. This, we're gonna roll very well. We start slowly. And tidy. Okay, it's nice. Try to make very tight. And from here, you can do this. Now guys, this one we put in the fridge like that, half an hour. I will cut just this end here. This going in the fridge for half an hour, okay? And next step, we're gonna put in the pastry, okay? And ready to go. Okay guys, this is the next step. Clean film again, pastry, take from the fridge your Wellington and try first like this. Tight, 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 tight. More you can. This is very important, okay? Here, for my Wellington, it's a little bit bigger. You know, it's too long. I take it a little bit off. Okay? Try to close it just from here as well. Close it. And now, guys, again, put in the clip. Like, better do your best and going again in the fridge for another half an hour. And later it's ready to go in the oven. Okay? See you in half an hour. Okay guys, it's ready to go in the oven. I put on 200 degrees. I say this one to be nice and red gonna be around 25 minutes to 200 degrees. But my family we like a little bit medium well. I'm gonna leave it 35 to 40 minutes. And that's it. Make ready on tray for the oven. Very delicate, okay? If you want, you can do some decoration. You can do what you like. I'm not very nice to do that. But one important thing is, you know, put the egg, just red one, and I have a nice color. Try to put everywhere. I put the paper on the bottom. It's more easy to move later because when it's cooked, we're gonna leave at least half an hour in aluminum foil. And I'm gonna do for together. I'm gonna do some roast potato. Enrico, my son, he asked me that. Okay, this is ready to go. 200 degrees. I want medium. Well, I'm gonna leave 35 to 40. See when it's ready. 35 minutes. I think it's done. Oh, look there. Beautiful. Now, this going out. Ow. And the potatoes, I'm gonna do with roast potatoes. They're gonna be inside. Now guys, what we have to do here to rest. Cover very well. The time the potatoes is gonna be ready, I need another 30 minutes. This Wellington gonna be delicious. Okay? Cover very nice. Gonna be in half an hour. Wow. Okay. See you when the potatoes is ready. Okay guys, potatoes ready. Time to take that. Oh, look at that. Still very warm. And now, carefully, it's hot. Ow! Ow! And now guys, oh mio Dio! Look at that. Perfect. You know the layer? The mushroom, the ham, guys, this is medium well. Wow, hey, I'm happy. Look at that. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, guys, I need my little man here. Okay, guys, the Wellington, beef Wellington, is this. If you like, Enrico, please, finger up and follow us. Ciao, guys. See you. Bye-bye.